Two women walk into a wellness convention. They get injected with something. They leave in ambulances, intubated, unable to breathe. Investigators never figured out exactly what caused it. They couldn't even get the product to test it. This isn't a story about one bad booth. It's about a booming, billion-dollar industry selling injectable compounds nobody has actually tested on humans, and a government panel meeting July 23rd and 24th stacked with people who sell them. Meet the peptide economy: BPC 157, TB 500, GHK copper, sold in clinics, at wellness expos, shipped from research chemical warehouses to your fridge. Here's what's actually published on BPC 157 in humans. 3 small pilot studies, fewer than 30 people total. 0 randomized, placebo-controlled trials. These only real Phase 1 safety trial ever registered enrolled 42 people back in 2015. The results were never published. In 2016, the sponsor pulled the submission before anyone could review it. Both BPC 157 and TB 500 are banned by international anti-doping authorities, not because there's proof they hurt you, but because nobody's actually checked. So how does an unproven compound become a billion-dollar industry? Marketing doesn't say no controlled trials exist. It cites studies. Go find that paper. I'll wait. Here's where it gets absurd. That same week in late June, FDA's own scientists posted documents recommending against all 7 peptides up for review, warning of reactions they called life-threatening and catastrophic. The Associated Press reported the panel voting on those recommendations on July 23rd and 24th includes doctors who currently sell them. Dr. Gabriel Alizaidy is one of them. $500 a session, advising people where to safely source the peptides he promotes to thousands of followers, BPC 157 and copper peptide among them. Dr. Haleem Mohammed runs a clinic chain that sells these same peptides. Bobby Harshbarger, a Tennessee state senator, sits on the panel too. His family's pharmacy compounds the same category of peptides he'll be weighing in on. Alizaidy's own website says his consultations are educational, not medical advice. Neither he nor Mohammed responded to questions about the vote. And the man overseeing the FDA? In February, on the Joe Rogan podcast, he said this: "I'm a big fan of peptides." He described using them himself after injuries, and, in the same conversation, called the unregulated market supplying them right now low quality and inconsistent. He wasn't wrong. He was describing the exact market that supplied the booth in Vegas. So this month, that panel votes on one question: should pharmacies be legally allowed to compound and sell these peptides? If they vote yes, the FDA can add them back to the approved list. The vote isn't binding, but the FDA says it will shape the final decision. And a yes vote would run against what the FDA's own scientists already concluded in writing: not enough evidence these peptides are safe or effective. And somewhere, there's another booth at another convention, waiting for the green light.